1.
Hi, we're up here at the lot with Greta, Jill, Marie, Michelle, Patty. Ready to have some fun. Just to have fun.
So keep following along. And Amy, can you tell everyone to like and subscribe my YouTube channel?
Like and subscribe Greta's YouTube channel. Oh, and comment, of course.
Really doing it.
Can I say hi? Like, she was talking about wanting to meet with you guys in Casino and whatever.
Roll down that. Go your own way. Name the band. Yes. Crushing.
What's it like, roomies, being back together? Your backyard.
I missed it.
It's like I'm whole again.
I'm filled up.
There she is. Amy, how we doing? Friend Michelle, skater Michelle. She doesn't know this, but she's my new best friend, and I might be stalking her when I get home.
Awesome. If I make it.
We're just transitioning into
Nice work, Michelle!
boot pack mode. Then we got skater Michelle coming up. No biggie.
We're in the last push, baby. So this is the last little pitch before we get to drop in, and we're gonna boot pack it.
No.
So
Nothing.
nothing.
So.
Carrot? It's recording. What do you got to say? Yay.
Are we ready? Whatever you do, don't go over there.
Pop down there. We did some powder puffs.
Are we gonna do it again?
We're gonna keep going.
Another day?
So far to go.
Right. We have
Another day. We're gonna go again.
Yeah, but we're gonna make it back to the car now.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
You go ahead.
No. You go ahead. Okay. Here we go.
We get some snow.
Okay.
I'm good.
And then we're down at the lake again. That was a day with Marie Francois, Jill, Michelle, Patty, and Amy. Can't wait for more.
Jill, are you worried?
Chatting.
I just need an outro.
Just chatting.
What?
Just chatting. What do we say?
Hello,
Hello.
this is an interview.
Michelle, how was your day? What happened today? What was the highlight?
We went up, we went down, we went up, we went down. This board didn't work and it worked. And
What kind of board is this?
this is, if you look here, close. And I set it up right here in the parking lot with yours truly. So I came that prepared.
Did it work?
It was great. The guides,
The guides really helped this
the
morning.
snow got a bit stuck in the sparks, you know,
Oh.
but got it out.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
Oh,
I know why you guys do this work. This is good work.
Great work.
Thank you, Marie.
Nice
Thank you, Michelle.
to meet you, Greta.
You
What about
too.
Patty?
See you in the skate park.
See you in the skate park.
Thank you, Patty.